Divide 980 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. On subtracting we get 0. So now we have remaining this 0 which we can put here. So 980 divided by 7 is 140. So this much for today and thanks for watching.